You think you got strong abs? Let's find out. This isn't your regular crunch challenge. This is 10 minutes of pure plank fire. No breaks, no mercy. Just you, your breath, and your core. If you can survive this, you're officially built different. So get ready. Roll out your mat, lock in your core, and repeat after me. Because today, we build iron abs. By the end of this 10-minute workout, you'll feel every single muscle in your abs screaming in the best way possible. You'll not only torch belly fat, but also build endurance, improve posture, and strengthen your entire core system, the foundation of every athletic move you make. No equipment, no fancy gym, just discipline. This challenge is raw, effective, and proven. If you follow along till the end, I promise your abs will thank you later, even if they hate you right now. So let's start. Phase 1, the setup. Get down into your plank position. Elbows directly under your shoulders. Feet shoulder-width apart. Neck neutral. Eyes looking slightly forward, not down. Now tighten your abs, like you're bracing for a punch. That's your core locked in. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Ready? We start in 3, 2, 1. Phase 2, classic plank hold. This is your foundation. Don't move, don't drop. Keep your body straight. No arch, no sag. Feel that burn in your core? Good. That's your body waking up. Now repeat after me. I don't quit. I hold strong. I control my body. Every second counts. You're not just holding a plank. You're building control, strength, and mental grit. Keep breathing, steady, rhythmic. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Stay locked in. 1 minute down. That's it. 9 more to go. Easy work for someone who doesn't give up. Phase 3, shoulder tap planks. Now gently shift to a high plank. Palms under your shoulders. We're adding motion. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand. Then right shoulder with your left hand. Repeat, controlled, not rushed. Don't twist your hips. Keep them steady. That's where the core engagement doubles. Each tap equals 1 rep of pure control. Keep your rhythm. Left, right, left, right. If your arms are shaking, perfect. That means it's working. Keep going. Stay strong. You're doing better than most people who quit halfway.